welcome to DIY with Nadia. Today I am doing a fun challenge, and this challenge is called Upcycling Ugly Thrift Challenge. This challenge is being hosted by my beautiful Sherry from Pretty Simple Sherry, and it's co-hosted this month by Lisa and Company. I will link the ladies' channels down below in the description box along with the playlist. On this playlist you will find all the other participants of this challenge. Without further ado, let's get started on this video. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is this cute little ornament. It was on sale at Goodwill at 59 cents, and I bought it for basically 30 cents because it was Christmas in July sale, so everything Christmas was half off. So I got that, and the first thing we're going to do is just remove, there's a little plastic for, you know, to protect the picture. So I'm going to put that aside. And let's see here. I think I want to remove this. We might use it again. I'm not sure, but I want this to be more of a farmhouse, so I might just use jute cord to hang this. Alright, and now I'm going to give it 2 coats of Rust-Oleum chalk paint, and it's in linen white is the one that I usually use. Okay, I want to make a little wreath right here. And I decided to take these little, I guess these are lilac little florals. And this is so unnoticeable here, but these little lilac florals have these green little kind of pine looking, let me see if I can show you really close, pine looking leaves. Some of them have purple on it, like at the end. See how they have like little purple endings? So I went and just kind of picked off the bottom ones that don't have any purple on them, and I'm going to just glue them in a circle. Okay, well, my hot glue is heating up. I'm going to cut this picture out. I had to trace the circle because I don't trust myself. I was like, I'm just going to go off center and every which way. And I want this to be really pretty. Okay, for the bow, I decided to get some of this baker's twine, and I'm just going to grab it and wrap it around 2 of my fingers. Let's just do 3 times. We don't need this to be massively big. And then grab another one to bring it together. Then just bring it together and tie it. I really like the way this turned out. So to push it through, if you don't have a needle that's thick enough for this, which I don't, I'm just grabbing a piece of wire Just looping it around the twine here, and I'm going to pull it through the holes. There you go. And I'm going to tie it, essentially kind of using it as a needle. I'm just going to make a few knots here. Okay, now for the picture, I'm going to put in the plastic part first. And there you go. And I think I did okay from just an ugly thrifted item to a beautiful Christmas ornament. Alright, so my second piece I also got at Goodwill on that Christmas in July sale. And so here is a piece that fell off on the way home. And there are metal tabs that kind of held this in place. And I need to take those off along with a metal tab that's still here. And then, so this was, it looks like they bought it somewhere for $2.95. Then one, it was 59 cents and I bought it for 30 cents. So same thing, we're going to, you know what, I'm going to make my life easier and use wire cutters here. Okay, I got these little guys off. And so, of course, now I'm going to give it a really, really good sand down. I'm just using the sandpaper from the Dollar Tree. Alright, I sanded the front and all the sides until I saw no more shine, because it was quite, you know, it had a nice layer of lacquer on it, some sort of lacquer. And I'm going to give it a few coats of white chalk paint. And I'm thinking I'm probably going to need 3 layers because this green is really, really dark. Okay, so this board is nice and painted. I'm going to take this ribbon, which the Dollar Tree has every year. It's just maybe different print, but I bought this last year, so you can either do gold, and the gold really does look nice on the white, right? But we are going to do silver. So on one side it's gold, on the other is silver. I thought that's so pretty. Okay, so you could do this one of two ways. You can just take it, I guess, wrap around, hot glue it in the back, cover the sides. Option 1. I decided to do option 2, which is Mod Podge. The reason for that is because, let's not forget, this is Dollar Tree ribbon, and I can't guarantee that this is going to stay nice throughout the years. So I did decide to use the Mod Podge for this process. And I'm just going to give it a nice healthy helping of Mod Podge, but not too much. It's a fairly thin ribbon, so I think it's going to stick really, really nicely. Another coat of Mod Podge. And after this, I am going to let it dry. Just sit it down, let it dry completely. I want this nice and sealed. Okay, it's been about 2.5 hours since I did this, if not 3. And so I'm just going to cut along the edge here. Okay, so now that we have this, I'm going to take this burlap I got from the Dollar Tree. And this is going to go all the way around. nice and tight, and do the same thing on the other side. All right, I'm going to put this aside for just a second, and I'm going to grab one of these leaves. And this is from one of the pumpkins. They all come with the little leaf. And I do want to take this little bow off, because I think I want my own bow here. On top of here, I'm going to put the word harvest. And this I'm going to hot glue right here. Okay, so I'm going to grab one of the leaves and just, you know what, maybe I'll grab another one. Wouldn't it be cute to have two? One would be cute, but I think two would be even cuter. It's the beauty of crafting. You can do whatever your heart desires, right? And don't forget, this is metal. Me pressing in like that, realizing that it's hot. That was fun just now. I was going to take this, and it's basically an orange jute cord that's really, really curly. Seems like the other end is really curly too. Why not use that to our advantage, right? Curl it and make it work here. Now I'm going to open this up, and I'm just going to hot glue it right there. Super simple, right, you guys? I think this turned out absolutely cute. I hope you like it. Okay, I officially love it. Okay, so now I'm going to grab whatever's left of this orange twine. I'm going to grab an awl and just make holes where the little wire used to be. And I'm going to pull my cord through. And I'm just going to loop it right here. Louis was such a good puppy. He stayed with me the whole video. What did you guys think? How did I do on my little transformations? Let me know down below in the comments area. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that thumbs up button. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye.